Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel where we make drawing easy and fun. In today's tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to draw a simple light bulb. Let's dive right in. Get ready to combine nature and creativity in today's tutorial. We will show you how to draw an easy light bulb among a growing plant. Let's bring some greenery to our artwork, where we infuse art with the beauty of nature. In today's step-by-step tutorial, we are going to explore the delightful fusion of a growing plant and the gentle glow of a light bulb. Get ready to embark on a creative journey as we guide you through each stroke, bringing this charming scene to life. So grab your pencils and let's begin cultivating creativity together. Join us on an artistic adventure as we blend the elements of nature and illumination in today's drawing tutorial. Through detailed instruction and expert guidance, we will walk you through the process of capturing this captivating scene on paper. So grab your sketchbook and let's dive deep into the world of botanical inspired artistry. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and happy drawing. Thank you very much.